Convert 68 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Remember the formula? Degrees Celsius is equal to degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9. Now let's substitute. Degrees Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit is 68 minus 32 times 5 over 9. 68 minus 32, that is 36 times 5 over 9. Let's multiply first. 36 times 5, that is 180 divided by 9. 180 divided by 9, that is 20 degrees Celsius. Convert 94 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. The formula in converting Fahrenheit to Celsius is degrees Celsius equals degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9. Let's substitute. Degrees Celsius equals Fahrenheit is 94 minus 32 times 5 over 9. Then 94 minus 32, that is 62 times 5 over 9. Let's do the multiplication first. 62 times 5, that is 310 divided by 9. So 310 divided by 9 is 34.44, or we round off, that will be 34 degrees Celsius. Let's try another example. Convert 25 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. The formula in converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9 over 5 times degrees Celsius plus 32. Or we can use the other formula, degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 32. Let's use the second formula. Let's substitute. Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times degrees Celsius is 25 plus 32. 1.8 times 25 is 45 plus 32. 45 plus 32 is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take one last example. Convert 80 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Let's use the formula. Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 32. Let's substitute. Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8. Our degrees Celsius is 80. So times 80 plus 32. 1.8 times 80 is 144 plus 32. 144 plus 32 is 176 degrees Fahrenheit.